released? Like the Flash, the Leech, the Tune, of course.
Yeah, and Tune, the Necrophobic.
Necrophobic also, yeah.
Yeah, I play with Nagelfar.
Okay, Nagelfar also. Did you play Dark Easter this year?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, cool. Yeah, that was an awesome show actually. I enjoyed it pretty much because I hadn't seen Nagelfar for like 4 or 3 years. Last time was both sides. This is not your first show in Germany, but you haven't played that much in Germany yet. So, is there any reason why you haven't played with this band in particular? I know a lot of people that are into death metal a lot, and they haven't seen Firespawn at all. They've seen all the other bands, but they haven't seen.
Well, it's kind of in the answer there really, because since the other bands, we're busy with those.
Yeah,
bands,
yeah,
so
you're always busy.
it's not that easy task, you know, to get all the schedules to fit, you know. But sometimes it happens, not today.
But you still have to work, I suppose. You still have to work in the meantime, or can you just like live off your bands?
No, we're off the death metal.
Okay. Well, that's cool stuff. I would like to do that. But
still, all of us has a very tight schedule. You know, it is at least 7 bands within this band. So we have to...
It seems like a circle of friends also.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, that's the reason behind this from start. Me and Victor and LG wanted to do something with friends only and only have a good time. And play the music that we love. So yeah, but schedule-wise it's hard planning, so to say.
Yeah, well, this brings me actually to the second question. What is the difference between all these bands? Is it just like a perfect mixture of all of it, or is it something new? How would you describe it yourself?
It is something completely new, actually, because all of the other bands that we play in has been around for so long, so they have their certain style and a certain path. Firespawn is something completely new, so Victor can write the music exactly how we want it, or exactly how he feels like when he doing that riff, you know. So we have no rules.
How is doing the lyrics, all that conceptual stuff behind it? Because I've seen a lot of your videos. They have some concepts behind them usually, but who's behind the concept of Firespawn?
I guess it's our taste in the band and what we think is cool, interesting, and what we like to do, and feels, you know, exciting or interesting or challenging.
Okay, so you've been on the road with these bands for so long, and now you hit like a small festival in the middle of Bavaria. How did you feel about us writing you like, hey guys, what about like coming here, playing headliner show at a small festival with a new venue, and yeah, we don't know how many people will actually show up for you guys. How did you feel about that in the first place? Did you say, hey, okay, we would like to be bigger, or play bigger shows, or like something on the ground
here? Big shows as well, but we love these kinds of shows also, naturally, because what is it here, 400 or 500 headbangers, something like that. You know, these small shows are very intense. You can stare them right in the eyes, and you know, it's a different kind of energy. So these kinds of festivals is awesome as well.
How was your trip? How was your trip anyway? Like, was it cozy, or did you say like all the way from Sweden to Bavaria?
It was good.
Okay.
Yeah, too long flight, but it's always too long. So.
Well, personally, have you ever been to Bavaria before, or just like with the other bands, of course? But
I don't know. I don't think I have been here before.
Do you know anything about Bavaria at all? Like some traditional stuff, like Weisswurst, which is tomorrow, or like foods? Yeah, that pronunciation was perfect.
Like a wheat sausage sort of thing?
Yeah, like wheat sausages. That's
No,
some special stuff that is going to be served tomorrow.
Ah, cool.
Yeah, before noon.
Okay.
But do you know anything else about Bavaria except for that?
Like beer and stuff.
That's a good point.
Isn't it like a strong tradition, like strong, very German, Bavarian?
Well, the Bavarians don't consider themselves German that much, but yeah. They're like kind of their own people.
That's true. Marcus Spangler, the guy who works for Warwick and Framus, basses and guitars, the custom builder, is from Bavaria.
Okay.
So I visited him once, like in his house, and just hanging out, and they had some beers.
Okay, so you actually had some kind of private visits here. Well, I wanted to ask Lars, but maybe you remember that. I saw that video from Obscene Extreme Fest, Left Hand Path, where this guy, this disabled guy, I think no. Were you the guitar player or some
please.
some guy kneeled down and let him play the guitar during the solo, and I found that was something amazing that I haven't seen in any other music style. People letting some dude like this just hang out on the stage for the whole song and freak out totally. But what if that happened today? What if that happened today? Yeah, that with just one arm, no legs, just one arm.
Yeah, well, I have to say, luckily, this is not that kind of a festival because I don't like people running around on stage when we're playing because during the set, the stage is ours.
Yeah.
And no one else should be there, you know.
Yeah.
So I don't know personally if I could play at Obscene Extreme because
It's a different
that's
kind of
how they
thing,
do
yeah.
it there, obviously. So I don't know if I can do it.
I mean, just for the fans or just for the feeling that people are actually supportive with people.
Yeah,
of the
but
facilities.
you know they could be supportive.
But as a band, it's a totally different perspective, of course. Yeah.
Yeah, but they could be supportive, below, on the field as well,
Yeah,
not
sure.
on the stage.
Yeah.
It's restricted area for the band.
You know, we got some pyros here just for Firespawn. Yeah.
Cool,
Yeah.
man.
You heard about that?
No?
No?
Yeah. And we're actually we're looking forward to filming you guys. So, what do you think about promoting Firespawn even more? Because since I asked that question, you haven't toured a lot. Are there any plans for the future promoting Firespawn more in Germany, or is it just something you want to tour a lot? Or how do you want to spread Firespawn more?
Definitely as much as possible. It's actually been a bit less shows than we wished this year.
Okay.
So we're gonna record the album quite soon this year, and the plan is to play as much as possible and much more than this year.
Are you still gonna be active with all your other bands, of course?
Yeah, it's the rotating schedules of all the bands. They're gonna be there as well, but
But still, this year has been way too calm. So
Yeah.
next year gonna be a lot more busier.
So
with a new album, as Victor told as well. So we're gonna promote it a lot more, tour a lot more, hopefully, and come back to Bavaria as well, hopefully.
That would be awesome. Like, for example, Dark Easter Festival would be something for you, I guess.
But there's a great festival, so hopefully there.
some Weisswurst as well.
Are you staying here tomorrow? Or are you leaving tonight?
No, we're leaving tomorrow
Around lunch.
Yeah, around lunchtime.
On lunch, okay, yeah. So you can have some Weisswurst before.
That would be great.
We're invited anyway, yeah?
Thank you. Like you, sir.
So, well, you just arrived at 9 o'clock here, but you arrived earlier. Did you see anything at the venue before?
Yeah, it looks great. Really
Okay.
beautiful surroundings here as well.
Okay. Yeah, looking forward to your show. Yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed the show. Hope you enjoyed the Weisswurst tomorrow. Hope you enjoy the night. Yeah,
Thank you.
And hoping to see you again.
Thanks for having us.
Thanks, guys.